Yo, what's going on? As of right now, I have been searching the market, see what we got out there, see if there's any stocks that have actually made a huge jump. So as of right now, I'm also waiting for a lot of my guys to join. Yeah, let's go one by one, see which ones we're gonna be taking. JBTM. Um, kind of don't like it. I do not like it whatsoever. It's going up, but I do not like it. Notice how the SMAs are all over the place, but this could be a good one for me to put it on. I can put it on my other watch list. Let me see where the hell's my other watch list movie gainers. Oh, don't tell me that I fucked up. I think I lost my never mind, focus. Okay, we're good. We are good. Let's put it right here. So we're gonna put it in JBTM. We'll see what happens. As of right now, I don't have anyone that has joined in. We'll see what's gonna happen. Boom, boom, boom. We have Pax. Pax is another one apparently that has been shutting up. Yep. So the day that we were supposed to be going into this was this day, yesterday. I was waiting for a break of that. We are late for the game, to be honest, on PAX. Fuck, this day should have been perfect. This day should have been perfect. I'm still gonna put an alert just in case. We'll see what happens. Let's see. Another one. I mean, let me just log in so you guys can see. We got 1 minute and 45 seconds until the market opens. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Why the fuck does it say negative 3K? I'm not negative 3K. Um. Well, let's see what else we got. We got Sono. Sono was a good one. Oh, we just need a little bit more volume. Let me put an alert out here. Next one's gonna be DYN. DYN. This one's good. All we need is some volume, and we can easily send it. Let me put an alert right here. And once we hit it, it's game time. Next is going to be RGN. RGN. 37 seconds until the market opens. RGN. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one's looking good. Let me set up an alarm above that level, and we can actually send it. LCII is another one. LCII. Let's look it up. Oh, okay. This one's a good one. We're probably gonna be playing this as soon as the market opens with our 1 minute time frame. So let's go and just wait for the 1 minute to open on this one. And we got some of my. Good morning. How you guys doing? Let me share my screen because as of right now, there's one stock that I'm actually watching. Boom, share window.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Yeah. So as of right now, let's see. I'm still waiting for other people to join. Oh, but I'm looking up at this one. It's gonna be LCII. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So LCII, I'm still not in it, so I'm just looking at this one. I'm gonna wait and see how the market opens, how it's gonna react. But and if anything, I'm gonna set up an alert around this level. create alerts, create alerts. Yeah, we still don't have anything on this one, but load up study. Let's go and just put the view up on this one. Let me see. Yo, Ricardo, good morning.
What's going on, my guy?
What's going on? So I'm looking at LCII. Let me reshare my screen, reshare window. But this is not it. Can you guys see anything? For some reason, I'm not able to share. Give it a quick second. For some reason, the button doesn't allow me to share, so we're just gonna wait a little bit until it pops back up. So, going to LCII, I just set up an alarm for us to go. But another one that I was looking at is gonna be PACS, 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 PACS. Yo, yo, Kevin. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, man.
Good morning, brother. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Perfect. Okay, now it's working. Easy, easy. So PAX, as you guys can see right now on PAX, this is gonna be the following. So we made a huge move up to the top. We kind of like bounced at the 10 SMA on the 19th. I mean, regardless, we still made, what is it? It's like a 20% mover overnight. Yeah, like a 40% mover overnight. The second day that we should have entered should have been this day right here, but of course there's always a lot of stocks. We cannot catch them all. We didn't enter this one, or even if we did, I feel like we got stopped out. I don't clearly remember. Regardless, today we might be able to re-enter. The thing with re-entering at this point is gonna be that we are re-entering. I'm not gonna say extremely late. It's just not the best position, but we'll see how everything plays out. I'm just gonna set up an alert right now. Create alert, create. So remember, we do not enter unless we actually have everything in place. The alert has been set. We see that we got volume, and then we enter. So right now, we're just looking at every single one of them. Let me go back. Let's see. I'm just logging into Shroud right now. Not bad. Okay. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'm still going through the watch list, and this is the watch list that we have so far. So let me go to MPW. Let's see what we got in MPW. MPW. By the way, I think, if I'm not mistaken, RQ. Let me see. Let me go back. ARQT, we are up 18%. If you guys took it with me, I think this was 2 weeks ago on ARQT. We're up 18%. So, Ricardo, are you in ARQT?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be trimming. I feel like today we're gonna hit 20%. So today we're gonna be trimming. I would say so we can be conservative. Let's trim 40% of the whole amount. Since let me look at the S&P 500. I haven't seen the S&P 500 yet. So the SPY. Yeah, we're kind of like. I wouldn't say that we are actually gonna go up, but we still need to be above the SMAs for us to actually call it a bull market. As of right now, we're somewhat still in a bear market, a little bit, not truly. But let's see. Yo, Enrique, Kevin,
Yeah.
are you into ARQT?
No, I am not.
Okay, never mind. Yeah, we went.
Is it good to go in?
No. So right now it's not good, but we're about to sell it since we're about to be up 20% from our initial entry. We entered this like 2 weeks ago. ARQT. Let me just go back and show you. ARQT. Look, this is the one we entered right here. So
Wow.
yeah,
Nice.
we're up like 20%. I was just asking just in case if you went in with us.
Yeah, no, that one I did not.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, perfect. Let me go through the list. So now we have MPW. Let's see. Oh, okay. MPW is another one that looks kind of like good. Not really. Nope. I don't like it. I don't like it. The SMAs are all over the place. Next is gonna be CVCO. CVCO. Nope. Next is gonna be TNL. TNL. Let me set up an alert out here. Next is gonna be M. Macy's. We need more volume. Create alert. Nope. Next one, let's see. BTSG. Okay, BTSG is back into our watch list. We have already gone there. Oh shit. Yo, Ricardo.
Yo.
Remember when we went in? We went in like I think it was this day. We got stopped out this day. Actually, my bad, this day.
Well, we had various positions in BTSG.
Yeah, look where's it at right now. Yeah, I'm not going in. We're missing volume.
Yeah, but it's because the SMAs look mad sloppy though. Like right now it's up, but when we went out, it was below the 10 and shit.
Yeah. I mean, we're also missing a lot of volume, as you can see. We're breaking a shit ton of structure, but we're missing volume. I don't like it. But still, I'm just letting you know, cause, bro, we had a lot of size into BTSG. So if you do the math right now,
Yeah, it was just unfortunate.
yeah, we got stopped out. It's fine. I mean, we made money from it. Let's see anything else that we got. We have a lot of stocks today. Okay, we at least gotta hit like one or two today. There's no way. So we got TMDX. I like this TMDX. I kind of don't like the SMAs. Create alerts. Next one we got American Eagle AEO. AEO. Don't like it. Not enough volume. SRRK. COGT. We just need some volume into this. Nope. me set up an alert up top. COGT. Next one we got ICUI. ICUI. Boom. Fuck no. SMAs are all fucked up. So just so you guys can have a clear perspective, this right here is gonna be a bear market, and this is why I don't like when the SMAs are all fucked up. As you guys can see, we usually target when the SMAs are all in order. We got the 10, 21, 15, 200. In this case, it's somewhat the opposite. And remember what I told you, once we're under the 200 and we're under the 50, at that point, every time we try to actually make another leg up, we always come back down. It's the opposite way, so we're always going to be going down. That's why the 200 SMA holds a lot of power and a lot of volume, because yeah. So if we break the 200 at any time on the S&P 500, you know that at that point we're officially in the bear market, at least for like a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. You guys can see it always happens, so history will always repeat itself. Let's see, anything else? Also, one other thing is that we always trim at the end of the day. So we always gonna we always gonna sell our stocks at the end of the day, because that's usually when investors, banks, or corporations just go into the stocks. Um, Not that they're trading like us, but that's usually when they actually drop some money into certain stocks, and that's why certain stocks tend to move up a lot after, I would say, after 1 p.m. In Central or Eastern time. Okay, let's see anything else. We have ARWR. We have ARWR. Oh wow, okay, I like this. DYN. Okay, DYN. I'll have it on my notes real quick. DYN. As of right now, guys, we're going into ARWR. This one's looking crazy good. Actually, hold on. Fuck. The only thing that I don't like is that we have earnings coming up in one day. I don't like how earnings play. Fuck. No. Okay, so that's the thing.
Yo, Brian,
So
you noticed that there's earnings for a certain stock?
what happened? It's right here. Do you see it?
Oh, that's what earnings is?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
earnings. And usually I don't like to play before earnings, because earnings can be, it's pretty much borderline gambling, because you don't know what's gonna happen on the earnings. If they report bad statistics, if they report bad numbers, this shit can usually go from $41 all the way to $1. Who knows? And I had that shit happen to me before. With this stock, let me see if I can find it right here. It should be around here. This one. That happened to me, MYRG. Look, let me just show you. No, my bad, it's not this one. It started with an M. And I lost like $2,000 because I wasn't paying attention to earnings. Where's that at? It started with an M. Should be like around here. I found it. Yes, sir. MKSI. Okay, is it that one? MKSI. Nope, not even that one. Well, I'll find it for you guys and I'll show it to you. MGIN. Is it this one? Nope. Oh, good. Regardless. Regardless, let's see. This one might be a good one to go in after we break $7, but we still got that. So DYN apparently broke one of my levels. Let's look it up. What's going on? Okay, I'm going into DYN right now. 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 Okay, I'm going into DYN right now Let me see. Actually, give it a second. I'm just trying to make sure that we officially break it and we're out of this line. DYN. Volume is actually not bad. It's actually good enough for us to go in. Plus, we are breaking this structure right here, so you guys can understand. We have made a huge move up on DYN. Huge move up to the top. SMAs, not gonna lie, the SMAs could be a little bit better, but the fact that we are in an uptrend, we are breaking structure, and the volume is not bad. Could be a lot better though. We'll see how the day ends. We're breaking structure. I'm gonna show you guys. So for the past, I don't know, the past week we have been rejecting this structure right here, as you guys can see right here. Every time we come back up, there's a lot of sellers just selling it. On Friday, we actually had decent volume, and yeah, we actually bounced at the 10. So remember, huge move back up. We need to see volume. We need to see the SMAs are good. The SMAs could be better, but they're fine. And you guys can see we actually came back down to the 10 and 21. And so right now we are breaking that level. So that's what I want to see. That level is being broken. So let's go in right now. Low day is gonna be at, fuck it, let's put it at 12 just in case. So no, at 21. Let's put it at 21.08. 2 cents below it. But okay, let's go. Yeah, remember using the calculator. So my account's gonna be at 37,000. Oh, where the hell did it go? 37,000. Entering at 22.22. Stop loss at 21.08. So I'm gonna go in with 143 shares. My maximum loss that I'm gonna be able to see is $185. As you guys can see, and I'm liking this so far. I am liking this. Okay, we got DYN. Okay, we'll see. So 143 shares. Review, place that. So I have placed my order. Now, time to place the stop loss. By the way, we just hit 20% on ARQT. We're still gonna wait for us to trim all the way till, I'll say after 1 p.m. Central Time. We can start trimming on that one. As of right now, let's just leave it like that because it could always go higher. Yep, kids. No.
You went in on DOIN, bro?
Yeah, I went in right now. So setting up the stop loss so you guys can see it once again. So sell all, DYN. Order type's always going to be stop limit. We're always going to put timing GTC, good till cancel. And stop price is always going to be the stop loss that we have. In this case, low of the day. The low of the day should have been 21.10, but I put 2 cents under it just in case. I usually put 1 cent, 2 cents. Yeah. Let's see. So 21.08, 21.08, 21.08, and that is it. So review, place order. Okay, we're good. DYN. Let's look at the other stocks because we have a lot more. Let's go into IBP. Actually, ARWR. This one right here is a good one. I forgot to tell you guys. So let's go into this one. I was gonna go into this one until the YN came around. So I'm also gonna be going into it. Placing the stop at 40, 43, and let's go. So same principle, nothing has changed. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, trade, boom. So let's go and get our calculator. But this was looking good because we had a lot of volume yesterday. I mean, on Friday. So we got 42.89. The stop loss is gonna be at 40, 43.
We're gonna go with it, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Regardless of the what's it called, the earnings.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, let's go in with less size. Yeah, let's put at least, I'll say 0.2. Let me see if I put 0.2. Give me a second. Let's see how much I'm gonna be able to risk. 40, 43, 40.43. Oh no, I'm still gonna be losing. Yeah, you're right. 0.1. If I put 0.1, I'm only gonna be risking $500. Well, $37 it was. Okay, so that's the thing. Me, I'm only gonna be putting in 0.1 of risk. So that means that I'm only gonna be going in with $500. With earnings, a lot can happen. It can go, who knows? It can go all the way from 43 all the way to $10. So if worst comes to worst, I'm only gonna be losing $300, which it's double the amount that I was expecting. But I'm only risking 0.1% on my end. If you guys want to go in with me, yeah, make sure that your risk, you put it at 0.1% as low as possible. And then once earnings have settled, who knows, if we have a better setup, at that point, we're going to go back to 0.5. But me, I'm going to go in with 0.1% of risk. That's like $500. Because earnings can also shoot up like 50% to the top. Could also go 50% to the bottom. I'm not saying that you guys should play earnings like that, but the setup is looking good. Just so you guys can see the setup what we got. If we didn't have earnings, I will go in with 0.5% or 1% of my whole account. But let me just paint a better picture for you guys, just so you guys can see. Just so you guys can see, this is a clear uptrend. There's no doubt about it. So uptrend, we have made a huge move up. Uptrend, SMAs are stacked up. We got the 10, 21, 15, 200. Now, we actually came back to the 10 and 21, as you guys can see. But we had no volume these days. The day that we actually had some volume, it was on November 18th, but I didn't like the candle, so as you guys can see, we actually came back down. But yesterday we actually broke the 10 and 21, and we had a shit ton of volume. So everything's playing out perfectly. The only thing that we have that's actually hindering our entry is gonna be earnings. Earnings gonna be today or actually tomorrow. But yeah, actually it's only $500. You know what? I'm just gonna put it on my watch list. I'm gonna put it on my watch list and see how everything plays out. ARWR. Yeah, that is pretty much it. But let me put a. Yeah, there's a lot of volatility. So this is gonna be the price, 43.66. Let's see if this shit goes up or if it goes down. But I'm actually super confident into that one. The only thing is earnings. Yeah, earnings kind of like messed it up. Let's see anything else that we have. Yo, brother, how you doing?
All good, all good.
COGT, all good, brother. COGT. Oh, yo, let's go into COGT. We actually broke. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so COGT. COGT. The low of the day is gonna be 36.70. Yeah, forget about this one right here. Let me just delete it. Let's go into COGT. I'm liking this one. This is actually looking good. Volume could be a little bit better, but still, it's not bad. It would be actually bad if volume was like around this levels, but it's good. It's good enough. Let's see. So COGT, do the same thing. This one we're definitely gonna be risking 0.5%. Entry price is gonna be, of course, the entry price that we have right now is gonna be 38.58. 38.58. Stop loss is gonna be at low of day, which is gonna be 36.70. I'm able to go in with 86 shares. But before I go in, do you guys get why I'm going in? Do you guys get pretty much the whole strategy? Everything just a rinse and repeat, if you guys can see it. Do you guys have any questions at all when it comes to all of this? No questions?
Not at the moment.
Okay, bet. Oh, good. So perfect. Okay, so COGT, it's looking good. We actually bounced really good right here. We touched the 10, so let's go in, and we broke this line. So for me, I'm gonna be going in with 86 shares on COGT. COGT 86 shares. So you guys can see buy market 86 place. That's it. Now I'm gonna be placing my stop loss as well. Yo, Beto. Yo,
Yo,
what do you use for you to trade? I'm just trying to have a proper understanding of your setup so I can help you out.
well, I'm still trying to get familiar with Charles Schwab and stuff. I'm currently paper trading.
Oh, okay, but yeah, I mean, if you want to start with paper trading, that's fine. Yeah, that's totally fine. But just so you know, this is actually the same plan that I use for me to set my stop loss and do everything. So whenever I actually go into a trade, I go into COGT. I'm a bad. This is the one that we just went in. You're just gonna click. Let me go back. You're just gonna click the three dots right here all the way to your right. Play trade, and this is every time you place a trade, and you're gonna set up your stop loss. Of course, you're gonna go sell all, action sell, quantity, pretty much the small amount of shares that you just bought. Order type is gonna be stop limit, then good till cancel. Because if you just press today only, that means that your stop loss is only gonna be triggered today. That means that if your stop loss gets triggered tomorrow or the next day, you're never gonna get stopped out. You're gonna lose money. So always put good to cancel. And stop price is always gonna be the lowest point of the day, which is gonna be 36.70. Are you still familiar with the whole strategy, or you need a refresher on whatnot?
Nah, yeah, I'm still familiar with it.
Okay, perfect. 36.70, but we're fine. Review, placed order, that's fine. Also, another one that we just saw now. Let's go to TMDX. Sono. Okay, Sono's another one. Damn. Okay, so we're playing this out as well. Go to Sono, everyone. You guys can see we have a lot of volume, and thank God we're actually away from earnings. Just look at this wick. We actually went as high as 70. Goddamn, what happened, bro? So look at this wick on earnings on this whole candle. We went as high as $17 and low as $15, but we still held. That's just showing you a lot of strength of the market on this stock itself. Sonos is looking good. I'm liking this one. So low of the day, of course, I'm always gonna put $1 lower, 1673, and it's looking good. I'm not gonna lie. We had a lot of volume on Friday. So Sonos. Let me see. So right now 37,000. Let's see. 1722. What do you want, brother? 17 point. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? 1673 is gonna be your stop loss. 16.73 stop loss. So I'm able to go in with $5,000. Hopefully, I still got buying power for this. But it's still going up. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Actually, boom, boom, boom. Let's press Sono 17 buy market 303. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, okay, boom, I'm in. Yeah, easy, easy, easy. Brother, can I help you? What do you mean no? Can I help you? Alright, so Sonos, boom.
He's per.
Yeah, I know. Bro, he's always right here next to me.
Okay.
Alright, so sell. Are you good, bro? So stop loss on Sonos 1673. Good to cancel. 16.73. 16.73. 1673, 673, but we are good on Sonos, brother. Now let's go and look at some other ones. So TD, I think we had another one that we actually broke. It was right here. It was, there you go, TD. I'm a TMDX. TMDX. TMDX is another one. Let's look it up. TMDX that we broke. Brother. Now we can wait on this one. I'm actually not really liking it. I don't like the price action. It's just going sideways. I really don't like it. What do you want, bro? Okay, let's see. Let's go into another one. Brother. Brother. Okay, we still got to finish our watch list. So we got IBP. Let's go and look at it. IBP. Nope. Actually, we might. He just wants attention. Come here. Come here. IVP. No, not really. Don't like it. WTM. WTM. God damn, never mind. That's just out of the watch list already. We got TPH. Let me just put this to the side. TPH. Nope. Next one is CPRI. Okay, this is a good one. But we missed our entry. So in this case, our perfect entry should have been on November 19th. We are bouncing right at the 10. The volume's picking up. If anything, this would have been our second entry, but right now we're actually far away from the 10. Packs just broke. Let's see what we got on packs. Yeah, you guys see? Packs. It's another one that we pretty much missed the whole move. This day should have been the day that we should have entered, but as of right now, it is what it is. Let's see, anything else? We got TVTX, we got CNTA that we're actually doing good. Yeah, we're not gonna chase. At this point, we missed that one. We got CPRI. Same thing with that one. Next will be UGI. Yeah, this one's just not doing well at all right now. So let me put right here, create alert, create, that is it. Okay, next one's gonna be Yeti. I don't know if you know, if you guys know about Yeti, but Yeti just bought Helamix for $38 million. Just as a fun fact, Helamix, if you guys go to the gym, Helamix is just a shaker bottle that started back in 2019, before the pandemic, and they just sold their company for $38 million to Yeti. So it's crazy.
Yeah, peep that. It's gonna be good for Yeti. They're gonna make that bottle better.
Yeah.
Their sales are gonna go up. So there's talk.
Yeah, and the thing about the guy who created it is that motherfucker's mad young as well. So that goes up to show that as long as you create a good product, you can easily just sell your company a few years down the line. In just what? In just 2019, in just almost 6 years, motherfucker made $38 million. Plus the sales before that as well. So I feel like his net worth is easily above 40, 50 million in just 5 years, which is nuts. So this one's actually looking good. So Yeti's looking good. I like it. We had a lot of volume. Yeah, okay, and we're breaking this line as of right now. I'm liking it. Right on time. So low of the day is gonna be at 37.92. So let's go into Yeti. Remember, use the calculator. Let's use everything that we got. Trade. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna do it with you guys. So calculator in hand. Entry price is gonna be at 39.06. Blah, now it's gonna be at 39.15. 39.15. Stop loss is gonna be at 37.92. So 37.92. I can go in with $4,000. Okay, perfect. And usually, so that's the thing. Since we have a lot of stocks on the watch list, we gotta go one by one. We could have easily cut this like right here or right here. So that means that we could have gone with more volume and more size. But the thing is that going through each individual stock in the watch list takes some time, as you guys can see. So $4,000. Let's see if I still have some buying power. So 123 shares on Yeti. Yeti. Buy market. Oh my bad. Let me just do it right here. Yeti. Boom. 123 shares. 123 shares. $4,000 review. And I actually did have enough buying power. Okay, perfect. So I just bought 123 shares of Yeti. Let's see how it's gonna play out. Yeti. So remember, sell all, stop limit, and then this is gonna be where you put your stop loss. So that's the thing. We always want to make sure that we put our stop loss. Do not forget about your stop loss, because there has been some times where I actually forgot. When I initially started, I actually forgot about my stop loss, and I just lost more money than what I should have. So let's see, 37.92, 37.92. Let me know if you guys went into Yeti. So yeah, so we're just waiting for that.
Yeah, I went into Yeti.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Okay, perfect. Yeti. Make sure that you guys put your stop loss on Yeti as well. Next one we have DAN.
Yeti looks like it's gonna blow though, right? It has a big ass buying candle.
Yeah, that's what I like. Oh shit, this one's also looking good. Fuck. If I can, okay, let's see. Yeah, this was looking good. I'm not gonna lie. We have the 1021, everything just lined up. We have a shit ton of volume on Friday, and this that we're actually, how much have we blown up so far? There's no way that we actually missed. If it's more than 8%, okay, no, we 2%. We're fine. We're fine. So this one's looking good. So let me just look at something real quick. So DAN, we have volume 2.37 million. Okay, volume, I like it so far. And we still got like 10 more stocks to go. So I'm not gonna lie, DNA, we're looking good. We're looking good. But until we break this level, just so I can see my other stocks, because I definitely want to see every single one of them. We got VCYC. So let's go into that one. VCYC. The hell? Oh, VCYT, my bad. VCYT. Oh, I've seen this before. Okay, this is also another one that's actually looking great. VCYT, we got 1.19 million on volume. UGI, we just broke UGI, we just broke. Let's see what happened with UGI, if it's looking good. You see, guys, this right here is earnings. So you see earnings the day before, the day after. Look at what happened. So earnings could be good, earnings could be bad. In this case, it was good. So on earnings, we went up 10%, which is not a lot, but still, look at that candle. It's crazy. Well, I really don't like that one. Let's see. We got BRKR. Do not like it. Do not like it. We got ARQT, which is the one that we are in right now. We got I. Oh, damn. Okay, this one's actually no, never mind. I don't like it. That 50 is in front of us. I fucking hate that. Oh, we got nope. We got Gap. Don't like it. We got Com. Okay, I like Comp as well. I definitely like it. Let me just set up an alert right here. And whenever it gets triggered, we're gonna go and we want a little bit lower like that. VSCO, we have another one. Okay, once we break this level, Rgen, we broke it. Let me look at it. Rgen. Don't like it still. Still don't like it. CWK. Don't like it. Okay, this one's looking good. Oh, we're bouncing here. We got that. Let me just set up an alert. WGS. We missed this one already. We got BLTE, BLTE. This is way too overextended. We missed it. Next one we got TXG. Oh wow, okay. I'm liking this one. I am liking this one. Yeah. This right here, like the moment we touch the 10 and you guys see how we just blow up, that just shows that we have a lot of strength. I'm liking this one. So let's see. As of right now, we have, yeah, boom, boom, boom. I'm actually gonna go into this one. This one's actually one of the best ones. It's only $18. Let me go in. Where can I? This is if I have enough buying power. We'll see. We'll see what we got. So, let me set up my stop loss at the low of the day. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, so as of right now, we are gonna be entering at 1878, 18.78. Stop loss is gonna be at the low of the day, which is gonna be 1812, 18.12. Calculate $4,000. $4,000. $4,000. Trade TXG 18. 234. Only one way to find out. Okay, I'm into it. I am in. Let me know if you guys want in onto TXG. TXG. Stop loss 1812. Anyone else want in?
Nah, bro, I'm all out of funds right now.
Oh.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Oh fuck. Yeah, I'm also about to run out of funds. I think that I have an extra $40,000. But yeah, I mean today I'm not gonna lie, since the S&P 500 is bouncing, we are pretty much just picking the best ones that we got. Let me go back into the S&P 500. You guys can see we are bouncing up. We're still, if we are able to clear all these SMAs, and we're gonna be able to be above it. At that point, as you guys can see, every time we are above it, let me get rid of all of this. Clear draw set. Yes. Once we're actually above it, you guys see a clear uptrend. But once we're in between, you see how it's all choppy. Everything's just going down. This is exactly what we got going on right now. The S&P 500 just not the best, but it's going up today, and hopefully we can clear the 9. So two things can happen. We can either come back to the 9, the 10, and the 21, and we can reject. So this is exactly what's gonna look like. We can either come around here, and we can reject back down to the downside. Comp just broke, and my price target for the downside, GRGL just broke. It's gonna be 614, the 200 SMA. But that's one of the first avenues that could happen, or the second route could be that we can actually break this level. We can come back down, we can retest it, and then we can make another leg up to the top. Either or of these two things could happen, but it all depends on how the market's gonna want to react. Well, you guys can see we had a lot of buying power, a lot of selling pressure. We'll see, but we only react. We cannot predict what's gonna happen. We're only reacting based on the numbers, based on everything. But by the way, ARQT is going crazy right now. We're about to hit $31. About to hit $31. About to hit $31 on that one. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. So far for me, it's gonna be a choppy month, a choppy week. You guys can see so far in the day, $400 on the month, negative 3,000. But I grew this account all the way from 15,000. I grew it to 45,000. After that, I took $15,000 out. I gave it to my grandparents. I came back down to 20,000. Let's see if I can show it to you guys right here. I was a 45,000. Well, but I came back down. I don't know why the numbers on Schwab. If you guys have used Schwab, the numbers are always changing for some reason. But it was all the way up to 45,000, and it came back down all the way to 28-ish, something like that. Because I took some money and I gave it away to my grandparents, and then after that I regrowed it back again, as you guys can see. And so far, yeah, for the since November 3rd, as you guys can see, November 3rd, it's been a choppy week. I've been pretty much just trading sideways, not really. It's just due to the market. It's just been going sideways as well. The S&P 500 has been sideways, but we're still trying to find our best possible players or whatnot. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I mean, some months are good, some months are actually bad, but yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. We should trade with precaution with this market that we got right now. S&P 500, November 3rd. Let me look at it. November.
Yo, brother, what do we got this week? I know it's Thanksgiving week, so I don't know how the markets work.
Yeah. So to be honest, after since Thanksgiving is gonna be on pretty much what, Friday.
Thursday, I believe.
Thursday,
Okay,
and then
yeah.
Friday's Black Friday, which is
Yeah,
also
so
a few moves.
I think that I'm not
That's
gonna
true.
trade. I'm gonna be active on the market, but I'm probably not gonna trade on Thursday. 100% not gonna trade. Friday, I'm pretty much gonna be active, but I'm not gonna trade. Wednesday, if there's opportunities that show in the market, like really, really well opportunities, like a shit ton of volume with a shit ton of volatility, I'm definitely gonna go in. But usually holidays, I'm telling you, holidays is just time for you guys to kick back and not do anything because there's not a lot of volume because even the banks are closed. So that's the thing. When the banks are closed, you guys do not want to trade because the banks is literally what moves the market. The banks, the big corporations, the investors, all of these guys are the guys that are actually moving the market because they're going in the market with millions of dollars, if not billions. So if the big dogs are not trading, I mean, if the big dogs are not doing anything, that means that there's not going to be a lot of volume. There's not going to be a lot of volatility. So 9 times out of 10, you guys should just kick back and pretty much not do anything instead of you guys trying to force a trade. If you guys are going to force a trade, you guys are going to get pretty much wiped, or you guys are going to be losing trades. So yeah, same thing for Christmas. Christmas I usually don't trade. Christmas Eve I don't trade, or 2 days before Christmas I don't trade. Um, yeah, and I also slowed down a lot during November and December. Those months are usually the months where you got holidays, so I slowed down a lot. So as of right now, we're gonna be entering December pretty soon. We're pretty much gonna slow down because you guys are gonna see the market itself is gonna be slow. And yeah, but after that, usually it comes back to just regular business. Let's see. Let's see what else do we have. We have VFC. I don't like it. Next was the BTG with K. Nope. KYIV. There's an ADPT. RBTK. Oh fuck! What the hell is this? Yeah, guys. So the call is gonna end in 3 minutes since Google Meet only allows me to be on live for like an hour. Now, it's gonna be up to you guys. Do you guys wanna be waiting here to see if we have any possible more trades, or do you guys just want to call it a day? I mean, Ricardo has been with me since the beginning. He knows that every time I'm in the markets, I'm in the markets no more than 20, 30 minutes. I'm usually out here for you guys. So you guys tell me, do you guys want to be in the markets for an extra, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes to see if anything else pops, or you guys want to call it a day right now?
I'm done.
Oh, good. Anyone else?
No, I'm gonna just call it a day.
Okay, gotcha. So before, because the call's gonna end in 2 minutes. Before anything, do you guys have any questions? Did you guys were able to go into every single one of those positions or not?
Not all of them.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Yeah, if I'm gonna keep my notifications on, if something pops, I'll let you guys know and I'll put it in the chat. Roberto, I'm gonna be adding you to the chat and we're gonna go from there. So yeah. Other than that, guys, yeah, so remember, if you are in ARQT, just trim 20% after 1 or 2 p.m. Eastern time. I mean, about so right now 40% since the market's a little bit slow. But yeah, we're gonna go from there. And other than that, guys, yeah, I really appreciate it. And just have a good day.
All right, buddy. Take care.
Bye bye.
Thank you, man. You too.